Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand the process of cancelling e-way bill in TallyPrime. You can cancel an e-way bill within 24 hours of generation. It's a simple process in which you need to ensure that the appropriate reason for cancellation is provided. Press Alt-G. Type or select e-way bill and press Enter. Press F2 to change the period if needed. Drill down from the e-way bill generated with Part B section. Select the invoice and press F10 to cancel the e-way bill. In the e-way bill cancellation details screen, select the appropriate reason and enter the remarks. Press Ctrl A to save the screen. Consequently, the invoice moves to pending for exchange with e-way bill system for e-way bill cancellation. Now, press Alt-Z and select Send for e-way bill. Press F2 to change the period if needed. Select the invoice and cancel the e-way bill. As you saw, you can cancel the e-way bill in TallyPrime in a matter of seconds. Thank you. To know more about TallyPrime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.